Hi, I'm Isam. I am the Managing Director of Regency Auto, which comprises of Regency Lexus and Regency Toyota. I'm excited to announce the launch of Regency Auto's long-term philanthropy program and introduce Reggie from Regency. Reggie is our company mascot and is the face of our philanthropy initiative. Starting today, all of our dealerships and service centers will be raising money for various charitable organizations selected by our customers and employees. Our goal is to raise $1 million in total donations by the end of 2025. So how does our program work? Regency Auto will make a $25 donation for every new and used vehicle sold on behalf of the guests, and guests will receive an exclusive Reggie from Regency Panda plushie with the vehicle as a token of our philanthropy program. Guests can also receive a plushie when making a minimum donation of $25 at any Regency dealership or service center, regardless of a vehicle purchase. 100% of your donation will go to the selected charity. You can learn more about this philanthropy program and view how much Reggie has raised on our websites. Since 1983, Regency Auto has always taken great pride in bringing the community together. We want to continue growing this tradition and doing more than just selling cars. We are hoping our long-term program will create more value for our customers, employees, and the community for many milestones to come.